Good evening. a이엠굿북. This is Fotopedia the Yun. Here we study photography, enjoying music. Today's theme is what photography is.
Yay!
Is anyone taking pictures these days, isn't it? So, among the media, it is said that photography is the most democratic. Right. That's because of the power of the mass, the power of the people. Now photograph is very common. But we don't seriously think, what is a photograph? It's as if we forgot the most fundamental question. Why do we live? Photography, taken from Greek, means picture of light. Husserl, a British scientist, named it. When photography was first invented, people were excited.
Amazing!
It has been spread around the world. In the East, which uses Chinese characters, it was right in terms of meaning to call camera. But in China, it was called
照片
In Korea and Japan, it was called
사진
Long time ago, we used the word photograph, 사진, in the Orient. It meant image, which is a copy of the real. In the 13th century in Korea, it was also called a dream in a dream. A dream in a dream. Wow, is it fantastic, isn't it? Now dictionary defines that photography is the art, application and practice of creating durable images by recording light. Thomas Wedgwood was the first person to try light drawing in 1810. He was from a family of porcelain businessmen. It began with the idea of simply carving out the hundreds of porcelain vessels for use at the Russian emperor's dinner. In order to put a picture in pottery, he used a chemical called silver nitrate that was the first use as a photosensitizer. But unfortunately, the picture coated with silver nitrate disappeared quickly. Holding permanently the light picture on photo paper is called fixing in photo vocabulary. This fixing process was very difficult. Nice for Niepce, a French inventor, also struggled to hold the light. He was very close to the success, but died earlier before completion. Anyway, the earliest known photograph, produced by Niepce, was discovered. It was taken from the attic window of his house. The view was produced with an exposure in excess of 8 hours. This is the world's first known photograph. Then in 1839, mankind has finally figured out a technique for fixing photos. How is it possible? In short, the power of money. Photography was a new industry, making money in a sense. Daguerre, a business partner of Niepce, painter and businessman, officially announced the invention of photography on August 19, 1839. That's why August 19th is called World Photography Day. Haha, but that's not a public holiday. At first, the photography was called daguerreotype, named after Daguerre. Immediately after Daguerre declared the invention of photography, a British scientist called Talbot made a new photographic process of making photos on paper we use today. What is the nature of photography? Making huge sums of money out of the new photo industry for about 100 years, There was no one who seriously asked the essential question of the intrinsic nature of a photograph. It was not long before, in 1931, an attempt was made to ask philosophical questions about photography and to answer it. The German scholar, Walter Benjamin, first looked at the picture from a different perspective in 1930s. In a whirlwind of cruel German history, the Jewish German Benjamin coined an idea, the aestheticization of politics against politicization of aesthetics in the face of fascism, and the fall of photographs to propaganda. He felt a mysterious energy in a photograph of a woman in a British fishing village. It's something like a breath. Something spiritual in the photograph that can't be grasped. He called it aura. We can say, photograph is a secret about a secret. The more it tells you, the less you know.
그날 밤이 그리고